Looking for a delicious, organic, keto-friendly recipe? How about a hearty bowl of chili that's not just bursting with flavors, but also kind to your health and the environment? Well, today we are sharing a recipe for an organic, keto-friendly chili with no soy or harmful oils. First on the menu, organic grass-fed ground beef. Heat a tablespoon of organic olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven. Then, add the beef and cook until it's nicely browned. For a leaner option, drain any excess fat. Next, it's time for the organic aromatics. Toss in diced organic onion, minced organic garlic, and a diced organic bell pepper. Give them a good sauté until they soften and release their enticing aroma. Now, let's create a rich tomato base. Stir in a can of organic diced tomatoes and a can of organic tomato paste. Mix them well until they combine with the sautéed aromatics. Time to spice things up. Add organic chili powder, organic ground cumin, organic paprika, and organic oregano. For a bit of heat, sprinkle in some organic cayenne pepper. Remember, you can adjust this to your taste. Season with sea salt and organic black pepper, then mix thoroughly to distribute the spices evenly. Next, pour in 2 cups of organic beef bone broth and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for at least 30 to 40 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together and the chili to thicken to perfection. After simmering, taste the chili and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want to add more sea salt, organic black pepper, or spices according to your preference. Now, ladle the chili into bowls and get ready to serve. But first, consider adding some optional toppings like organic shredded cheese, organic sour cream, or chopped organic green onions. And there you have it, a bowl of organic, keto-friendly chili. This meal is not just delicious, it's also packed with quality ingredients that are beneficial for your health. It's a perfect dish to satisfy your cravings without compromising your diet. So go ahead and relish every spoonful of this hearty, healthy, and flavorful chili. Enjoy!